Hi, I thought I'd come out and take a look at the Mississippi River here in Dubuque. It's June 25th. I think the river flood stage right now is about 16.5 feet, with 17 feet being the official flood stage. So things aren't too bad right now. Anyway, I'm going to take some pictures, shoot some video, hang around and see if you like what you see. Okay, so I'm at the Mississippi River walk in Dubuque. I would say that the river is definitely up here. It's more obvious. Let me show you. I know this really doesn't look all that bad. What you don't know is that these are piers for the boats to be tied off to, and they usually stick up out of the water about 10 feet. That's water being pumped out of downtown Dubuque. There's about another 6 steps below the water line there. Pumps used by the city to pump water out of downtown Dubuque and into the Mississippi River.